Hello everyone, welcome to Technos, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a really professional logo using Photoshop. Now it's a very easy way. So before starting this video, I want to remind you, please hit that like button, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to open the Photoshop, and then you have to go to Google. So right over here you have to type the fonts, DA fonts, you gotta type that, and this website is going to be coming, and you gotta click this website. The link to this website will be in the description down below. So once you are here, you want to find the kind of font you would like for your logo to be. So now what you have to do is click on new, and once you are here, make sure that your resolution is 800 by 600. Once you have selected that resolution, you have to select distro transparent and hit OK. So once you have created a new photo, what you have to do on this workspace is that just select the background color. So let's select it white, and then above it you gotta type in the text. For example, my channel name is Technos, so I'm gonna put that right over here. Do this. You see, I have this font, Radio Crusader. I just you just select it, select the text, and you go to the fonts, and you select the font that you like. Today we're gonna work with American Captain. It's a font that I downloaded. So yeah. Just make that big. Actually, I want to make the background black and the text white. I don't know why, but let's see how that looks. Okay, so it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So I have this logo right over here. Now what you have to do is right click the Technos layer and go to the blending options. Then you want to go to the gradient overlay, and you want to keep it as it is, and you want to type in 20 right over here. So it's going to create basically a really good text thingy. So if you want to change the color of it, you can also change that too. So for example, it's red and a little bit of dark red, you just hit that, make the opacity more, scale it a little bit, mess with it, and let's just see. So we have come up with this one. Now what you gotta do is click right over here. It's going to be looking like this. Just right click it, and then you go to custom shape tools, right click on the screen and select whatever you want to do with it. So let's select something. For example, I have selected this watch, so let's do this. Change the color of it, or actually just go to its blending options, do gradient overlay, and just select the color for it. Let's do it the same as we did to the logo, the name one, and make its opacity a little bit less, like this. And then what you want to do is just adjust it, for example, like this. Just you select the shape and adjust its position, for example like this, and you have created your own logo. So hopefully you made a better logo than this. This was just an example to show you guys. You can also not put the shape in it and you just leave it as it is. Or another tip that I'm gonna show you today is actually we're gonna leave it right now as it is because it's looking pretty great. If you want to add something else to it, I mean, you can type in something else like gaming. Like it's a gaming, if it's a gaming channel, you put it under here like this. You go to its blending options, you put the gradient overlay to it. You can do the opacity a little bit less, or you can do the same thing as you did previously, like do this gradient, red and darker red gradient thingy, and make the opacity like full. You can scale it up a little bit, just it. Just do whatever you want to do. So I've adjusted it right now. So there you go. Hopefully you have a logo that you like and you'll go with it. Hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, turn on the notifications, and I'm done for now. Peace out.